The Society for Vascular Surgery came up with the initiative a few years ago of creating Vascular Surgery Interest Group chapters across the nation, with the goal of raising awareness about this great specialty in medicine and fostering interest in vascular surgery in current medical students. The goal of creating this Vascular Surgery Interest Group here at Houston Methodist is to allow medical students from the various medical schools in the area to engage in fun and beneficial learning experiences, and to allow them to learn more about our great specialty.
My name is Jacob Watson. I'm a second-year medical student at McGovern Medical School. We really enjoyed coming out today to Methodist Hospital for the Vascular Surgery Interest Group workshop. We learned a lot of great skills and got to practice some interventional procedures and work with the residents and attendings, which was a great experience.
We have multiple ideas in mind, including multiple hands-on workshops, suturing and knot tying workshops, venous access using ultrasound imaging, as well as many other ideas in mind.
I really enjoyed learning about vascular surgery and mingling with the residents. I really enjoyed learning how to use the ultrasound machine to guide catheters into the neck. And I think it's a really good experience this early on in my medical education to get these sort of hands-on skills before I go to the clinic, just to be more prepared and understand more about what it means to be a vascular surgeon.
We will also have industry-sponsored events during which medical students will have the ability to play with demo gadgets as well as deploy stents and look at grafts as well as catheters and wires that we use on a daily basis during our interventions. We will also have meetings during which students will be giving tips and tricks on how to be more competitive applicants, as well as answer them any questions regarding their application and match process, which can be a scary and stressful stage of these medical students' career.
My name is Kyle Shepard. I'm a third-year medical student at McGovern Medical School, and today I got to learn how to do ultrasound guided central lines with Houston Methodist. There's the practical skills that you can walk away with, like how to place a central line, but also just like knowing how to network with other people and making sure that you are asking the right questions and prepared for the next step when you're looking at applying for residencies.
We also aim to engage students in more hands-on workshops, as well as allow students to be more aware of what vascular surgery is all about and help increase the interest in this great specialty.